Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming which Vsdc version you have and where your project's live. This avoids surprises. Once done, back up active projects and export any custom presets so settings survive the update. Make sure to close Vsdc and other heavy apps to free resources. Aim for at least 1-2 GB free. Now, open the built-in updater or download the latest installer. Choose the official build matching your OS, and prepare to run it with elevated permissions to avoid permission errors. You should run the installer as administrator so it can update system codecs and app files without blocking. During setup, select the option to keep your settings unless you need a clean reinstall. Keeping settings preserves presets and layouts. Make deliberate choices about additional components. Install required codecs and drivers that the updater recommends. While the installer runs, watch progress for errors and note any failed modules. This helps you decide whether to retry a component or let the process finish and troubleshoot afterward. After installation, launch Vsdc and verify the version in Help. About this confirms success. You should open a recent project and run a quick export to test rendering, audio, and codecs. This validates real-world performance. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Reinstall the same installer as administrator, check the installer log for errors, and temporarily disable antivirus. If corruption persists, restore your backup projects and presets. Then contact support with the log details for targeted help.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.